Alright, lots going on here today. First of all, since I didn't scarf this correctly, I have a seat that's not quite right. I'm having to do a lot of fixes. This is the scarfing fixture. He has you actually, when you're assembling the wings, you're supposed to wedge this in and glue this side and glue the seat only. He doesn't want you gluing it to the fuselage though, because he's going to have you unscrew it later for painting. So I have to make adjustments for that. I just decided to go ahead and add this trim here. I won't do any glue. I will glue the seat to the wings, but I've got to be very careful on how I do the next couple of steps here. In addition to that, I've put on these doublers. I had to shave this one down the 20 degrees, basically from the point and the line that he has on the drawings. So I shaved these. There's a doubler in here that was cut. It's in here. Then this one was put on, and this is the shaved one. I also put the tail wheel door on. That's back at the tail of the plane. I had trimmed this down, sanded it at the angle so that it would meet up, and then I screwed it into these dowels. So that stuff is done. The next thing I've been doing is, after I glued these blocks together, on the pattern he had this line. These are the landing gear blocks that will be on the wings. So I cut those, and now I have to cut an 8-degree angle and on opposite sides. So I did the tangent math and came up with my line here, which I'm going to use to cut my angle, which you'll see here. I'll have the two different angles cut like that on these, and that's so that they'll sit properly on the wings, which are actually going to be bent coming off of the fuselage. So after I cut my 8-degree angle, I got to drill holes for the dowels to go in here, and I'll get to that step in a little bit.